Let's divide 36 by 2. Math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures.
Alright, let's start dividing 36 by 2. First, we look at the first divide of 36, which is 3. We bring down the 3 to start our division. How many times does 2 fit into? 3, it fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3. That leaves us with 1.
Great job, we found the remainder for this step. You're doing awesome.
We have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next divide, 6, to make 6.
We're on the next step. We have 16 to divide by 2. Look at that, we're getting closer. We bring down the 6 from 36, making our new number 16. So we have 16 to work with. How many times does 2 fit into? 16. Think of your 2 times doubles. It's 8. Let's check. 8 times 2 equals 16. Perfect. Now we subtract 16 from 16. That leaves us with 0. Woohoo, you nailed it. Now remainder this time. And that's it. We've divided 36 by 2. The answer is 18. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. We just learned how to divide 36 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is just a mini problem to solve. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check more fun math videos on Let's Stud.